Hello, it's Carlos Delta. Another video for the SRK360. This time we're going to be looking at the Gulag shim. So we look at the handcuffs. Most of these handcuffs in here can be shimmed provided the transport lock is in the off position. So by that I mean if the handcuffs can close, it means the transport lock is off, sometimes referred to as a double lock, and if it's on, these handcuffs will be solid, and it's a safety feature. It just prevents the handcuffs from over tightening on the prisoner's wrist. So that's off. So in that position, all we're going to do, access the shim, so shim is here, located on this part of the tool, and all I'm going to do, pop the cuffs on, pop out the shim, feel for the single ratchet arm, and then the shim will be positioned in the bottom there. Once it's in that position, support it with the middle finger, index finger, push assist, shim will go all the way in, and then you can extract your wrist out, and that is shimming. Don't worry if the shim gets bent. This is full hard stainless steel. If it does get bent, you can straighten it out. Yep. But if it's fully bent over and there's a crease in there, you can put it on a hard surface and give it a tap with a small pin hammer, and that will flatten it out. If it's full hard stainless steel, it's not going to snap, it's not going to break, so it can be used over and over again with no worries. Yep, so that's shimming. It's generally the first method I use to remove handcuffs without a key, because it's easy to locate where the shim goes. As mentioned, single ratchet arm, shim goes in there. So if these are behind your back, you're not trying to find the keyway, which could be on either side. You're just going to feel for the single ratchet arm, and it's job done. Thank you for your time.